How to create animated presentation in Canva. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to create animated presentations within Canva. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to canva.com and you will land right here on this platform. Canva is an online designing tool that allows us to create logos. We can edit our videos, create presentations, and much more. Today, I will actually show you how to create an animated presentation within Canva for your work or personal use. So first of all, you need an account on Canva, so you can create an account with your Google account, or you can use your email address. I already have an account in Canva, and this is where we are. If you want to go for a presentation, you can actually click on create design and then you can select custom size, and you can select a custom size for your presentation too. For instance, whatever format you are looking for. So you can add your width and height and select the pixels from here. And then we can also go for a presentation template here. So we have a 1920 by 1080 presentation right here. So I'm going to click on create and it will take me to my canvas to create a presentation. So here we have our blank canvas. You will be able to see that this is where we will create our presentation. At the bottom here, we have different pages that we can add. We can create a video or an image presentation. And here we have zoom in, zoom out option. We have different notes that we can take. And here we have our design elements, upload, text, projects, and more. So first of all, what I want you guys to do is you can actually go to the design and select templates. So in templates, you will be able to find a lot of different templates on Canva, and you can actually search for animated presentations right here. You can see, and you will get a lot of different presentation templates. This is actually a really good idea for you as a complete beginner to get started and to even get an inspiration. Now, whatever presentation you want to create, for instance, it's just for a friend, maybe you want to give a tribute to your mother, or you want to create a work presentation, then you will be able to choose a template from here. So I'm actually creating a template for my school. So what I need to do is I'm gonna go ahead and let's say I can go with this one. You can see this is an animated style, and then we have this one. So I'm gonna select this right here, and you can see we have this very good intro page, the first page for the presentation, and it says welcome to my life, but I will of course customize my text here. So let's actually create a presentation for my school. So the title is going to be like a motivation or showing your everyday routine, what you do in order to actually get more productive. So that's like kind of like presentation I'm looking for. Here we have the first page, and you can see this is the length of the page. At the top we have 2 seconds, but let's say I want to increase the length of my first presentation. It is just 2 seconds. I am going to increase it to 4 seconds so that we have some time to read the text. So this is what I have done, and it is animated. How it's the animated effect has been created, you can actually go to the elements, and in elements we have a bunch of different animated elements that we can use in our presentation. So for the first page, I'm gonna actually use this template and just edit the text here. We're gonna just hit blank space and enter. I'm just gonna go with the word welcome. So this is going to be the first page. Let's create the second page. Now I will create the second page from the scratch to show you how we can create an animated page. So in the background, I want a simple color. So I'm going to go with this color right here so that it matches with my first page. So this is going to be the background. Now I'm going to go to the elements here. Let's actually add the text first. So we're going to go to the text here. In text, I can actually select a text from different templates available, or I can add a heading. So I'm going to add a heading here, and now I'm going to add, let's say, what I do in a day. And then we can actually decrease the line spacing a little bit so that it doesn't look that far away. I can change the text color. So the text color, I will change it to white. Now we're going to go to the fonts here. In fonts, we can select a bunch of different fonts that actually give the that look really good in an animated presentation. So we don't want to go for a very straight font. We want to go for something a little different. We can go with this one, which is like Dreaming Outline Sans, and this is actually a font that looks really good in animated presentations. So you can see this is what it looks like. And now I need to add some videos here. So we can go to the upload section and upload the videos from our computer. We can upload the footage, images, whatever we want to add. So in my case, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to upload 2 videos that I want to add, and I will add them right here. But before that, I can select a frame for them. I'm not going to go with a simple frame. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit to the frames section here, and we have a bunch of different, frames to go for. And I'm going to select this one. Let's go for 2 of these and place them here. You can see this is what it looks like. Now I will be able to add a video or an image in these frames. Let's just make them a little bigger and place them here. There you go, you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the size here. I have added these. Now I will just upload 2 videos and I will add them here. So you can see I have added 2 videos here, and this is what it looks like. Now we can go to the elements. In graphics, we will be able to find a bunch of different graphics, animated graphics that we can add to our video or a presentation here. So you can see we have these, like these magical recommendation. So I'm going to select this one, and I'll see if I can add it here, or we can also go with others. So I'm going to actually add it here like this. Or let's actually find something else that looks more, good. So I'm actually looking for something like this, actually. Like so. And we're going to place it here. There you go. Similarly, I can now find some other graphics and add them here. So you can see this is what it looks like now. I'm going to move to my 3rd page. So here I have added some text. Again, very simple. You're just going to go to the text section and add your text. Now let's animate it. So in order to animate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text here. You can see you will select your text, and then we have this animate option here. Click on animate and you will get a bunch of different animation that we can do with our text. So for instance, we have like pan, we have fade. Similarly, we have like pop. This is what it will look like. You can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this animation right here, which is the pan. And we can select the speed now. We can animate, and then we have direction as well. So I have selected this animation, and you can see this is what it looks like now. We have like this text here, and it is animated text. So if I just play it, you can see it's a 5-second slide again. So now let's add some of the other elements into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the elements here. And again, we can search for different graphics. We can search for different stickers that we can add that will actually increase the animation effect of our presentation. In animation, most of the things are not very straight. We want to go for that, round figures and round frames and such text here that will change your presentation into a simple one to a presentation which is animated. So this is what it looks like. You can see we have a different graphics here, and we can also add stickers. So it totally depends on you what you want to add. So you can see we have here, this one actually looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it for this one, or maybe let's go with this one here at the top, or let's actually move it to the bottom. We have these lines here, dotted lines look really good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color to white, and we will place them here like so. Similarly, I'm going to go to the elements and add a bunch of different animated elements. So now we have our 3rd page ready. You can see this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to move to my 4th page, which is going to be my last page before this thank you animation. So this is going to be like my last page. Again, a simple text, and I can add a bunch of different stickers here. We can also go for like a word sticker, and in word sticker, I can literally find like thank you, because we have this thank you here, we have this welcome, and I can go with other text too. So you can see this is very good animation effect that we can add. You can see the text here, and these are the kind of text that you can add. So it's a simple thank you written. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually replace it to with this one. So you can see this one actually looks really good. So place it here. Then we have this one, and I wanted to show you something else too. When it comes to animated effects adding to your presentation, you can add different graphics as well. So if I take you to graphics, and in graphics, we have different types of graphic people that you can add instead of adding a simple image. For instance, we have this one right here. So this also gives you that graphic animated effect. So here we have it. And let's actually find some of the graphics. For instance, we have this here, and we can add a person as well. Let's go with this one. But I'm going to change the colors to match the theme for my other, pages like this. So this is what it looks like. I just wanted to show you another type of graphics that we can add to create an animated presentation. So once it's done, once you're done with your presentation, I can actually present it to you guys. We can also add music. Music is also an important part of an animated presentation. So for that, we can click on more right here in apps, and here I can even add text to image, images right here, and then we have audio. So I'm going to click on audio, and we can select an audio from here. So let's go with this audio, and it will be added right here in my presentation. So once your presentation is done and you feel like it's ready, our sound is also added. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on present and show it to you guys what we just created. So this is what it looks like. You can see the presentation is created and it's actually playing really good. We have an animated presentation ready where we added text, we added different graphics, videos, and stickers, and much more. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Again, to save it, you're just going to click on share here and click on download, and your presentation will be downloaded. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.